Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make black tea kombucha. First, gather your ingredients: black tea, sugar, a SCOBY, and starter tea. Next, brew a strong batch of black tea, adding 1 cup of sugar per gallon while it's hot to dissolve. Let it cool completely to room temperature before proceeding. Always sanitize your brewing vessel thoroughly to prevent unwanted mold. Once your sweetened tea is cool, gently add your SCOBY and the starter tea to the brewing vessel. The starter tea lowers the pH, protecting your brew. Cover the opening with a tightly woven cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Place your vessel in a warm spot, ideally between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it ferment for 7 to 14 days. After the first fermentation, carefully remove the SCOBY and set aside 2 cups of the finished kombucha as starter tea for your next batch. Now, it's time to flavor. Pour your kombucha into airtight bottles, adding your favorite fruits, juices, or spices. Seal the bottles and let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 5 days for carbonation. Once your kombucha has reached your desired fizziness, transfer the bottles to the refrigerator. This cold temperature will significantly slow down the fermentation process, preserving its flavor and carbonation. Serve your delicious homemade black tea kombucha chilled and enjoy the refreshing, tangy taste. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.